Hello, everyone. We just launched our gift hamper last week, and I quickly wanted to show you what are the things we have in that hamper. A lot of you have been talking about, just collating some of these little things that we have in our shop and, making a gift box out of it. And yes, finally, we've done that. So let me quickly show. This is what a gift box looks from the outside. And inside, we have all of these things in here. So, first is this chime, this beautiful chime, which we custom made just for this hamper. A pair of scrunchies. It's all in like purple and pink. This is a car accessory. So it's basically a car freshener. And you can use it as you can just put it anywhere, not just in your car. You can put it in your cupboard and like little corners of your house, and it's going to like really ooze out that beautiful fresh scent. And when the scent is over, you can always use some essential oil on this. This is made out of like a paper mache kind of thing. So you can just add some essential oil in here, and it will end up doing the same job. Yeah, we have this beautiful Nutties pack, and the highlight is this wallet. Oh, yeah, this wallet in here. So we have introduced these wallets in three fabrics. One is this one, this pretty little one here. The other is this nice green shimmery one. And then we have this beautiful black and purple. Like the fabric, the print, it looks so pretty, right? So we have these three. And when you go to our website to order one of these hampers, you can choose from these wallets. So any one of it you can choose, and this will go in your gift hamper. And it also comes with a sling. So basically, you also have a sling which you can attach. You can attach the sling here, and then it becomes a nice, cute little sling bag, right? So these are the things which we have in a gift hamper. Very nice, beautiful stuff in there. And I'm sure you will love it, and your friends, your family, whomever you're gifting it to would love it. I just go shop. For everyone asking where exactly you can go and shop, I will make another reel and I will post it in here. It's there right on the website, on the gift section, basically. You can go and you can shop this whole festive season, it'll be there. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Bye.